You guys are worried about this vitiligo so much and so much of suffering because of this. It's time to say goodbye to vitiligo. Yes, I have the solution for you. I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinics, and I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation, and I am a certified artist from there. And we have treated 50,000 plus vitiligo clients as of now, and we have got their actual skin color back by merging out their white patches. Yes, you heard me completely right. Our new advanced technique called nanopigmentation technique, we are the only people in the world doing this technique, and we can able to recover your skin back with no matter of time. Yes, many of them get scared about, is it give any side effects, will this going to spread more, or why this is happening and how to avoid this. Yes, don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this video, I am going to show you the real-time live process how we are doing this treatment. Do watch this video completely. Contact us if you have any more doubts regarding this treatment. so much of the time, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die nude.